Of time-saving jigs.
Call this toll-free number to order cabinet making, now specially priced at just $9.99.
Attention shoppers, we've got all the best Black Friday and Cyber Monday Apple Home deals right here, and you can clean up in the smart home aisle. But hurry because supplies are limited. Let's get into it. Greetings, Internet. My name is Dustin, and this is the myHomeKithome podcast. And here we look at the smart home with an Apple home and accessibility focus. With little time to rest after hiding the Halloween candy score from the kids, and before we could even get the decorations down, the flood of Black Friday emails started rolling in. This year is shaping up to be a doozy, but not all the deals you'll see are the best ones, so I spent literally hours scouring the internet to help you get the most savings on Apple Home smart home tech this shopping season, and in this episode I'll highlight just a few of them. I've compiled a massive list of Apple Home and smart home deals that I couldn't possibly fit into a single episode, so I created a Black Friday Deals Hub on the blog that literally has hundreds of discounts, and I'll be updating it through Cyber Monday, so you definitely want to check back often. I'll leave a link to that in the show notes. Here at myHomeKithome, we're not only obsessed with the smart home, but also a smart lifestyle. And for that, you need accessories that not only look good, but protect. And Ekster's line of everyday essentials is the perfect companion. Ekster is well known for their high-quality, stylish, durable, and minimalist smart wallets and card holders, but they offer so much more with the same quality and style. From key and card trackers and holders to cash clips and multi-tool cards and everything in between and beyond, Ekster has all of your everyday essentials covered. They've even got a line of bags and accessories, all with the tech enthusiast in mind and a sleek style to boot. I've been rocking their grid backpack for a while now, and it's perfect for safely and securely storing your tech while you're on the move. Ekster is sponsoring our Black Friday content this year and offering you exclusively as a myHomeKithome podcast listener up to 55% off your order, which is absolutely ridiculous. Head over to partner.ekster.com/myHomeKithome and use promo code myHomeKithome at checkout for big savings for yourself or your loved ones this holiday season. Check out the show notes for the link, and thank you to Ekster for continuing to support our content. And now, let's get into those Apple Home Black Friday deals. First up, Matt Corey, the developer behind Follow the Sun and Signals for HomeKit, a couple of my personal favorite HomeKit apps, is once again putting together the Indie App Sales event where you can find some sweet deals on some sweet apps from independent developers, including some essential Apple Home apps. Controller for HomeKit, HomeCam, HomeRun, HomePass, and more are all on deep discount with some at more than 40% off. Obviously, Matt's own Follow the Sun and Signals for HomeKit are also heavily discounted. Check out all of these and a ton more at the link in the show notes. Getting into the smart home device discounts, Lutron Caseta is the gold standard when it comes to smart switches, and if you've been thinking about getting into the ecosystem or expanding your existing setup, they've got a number of their starter kits on offer this Black Friday. With bundles with and without their famed Pico remotes and single pole and dimmer switch kits with their traditional design and the minimalist Diva switches, there's something for everyone. And with nearly 20% off across the board, now is as good a time as any to jump into smart switches. Arlo is a heavy hitter in the smart camera and security game, and this Black Friday they've got some heavy discounts on their cameras, doorbells, and security systems. Notably, their essential wired video doorbell is 54% off, and the wireless version of it is 47% off. These won't be around long, so get them while the getting's good. You can also save on a number of their security cameras, including the Arlo Pro 5 with 36% savings, or the Essential XL outdoor camera with a 33% drop. Popular smart button maker Flick has some pretty killer deals going this Black Friday with up to 55% off some of their bundles, including their black buttons, which are pretty slick, and they also include a free glow-in-the-dark sticker pack with orders over $100. For both Black Friday and Cyber Monday VIP access customers, Flick will also be running a bunch of raffles for smart home kits from Philips Hue, IKEA, Nanoleaf, and LifeX. Starting today, to get in on these savings and giveaways, you'll need a special link and a password, and you'll find all of that info in the show notes and on the Black Friday Deals Hub. Level is looking to level up your smart lock experience this holiday season, offering a black Level keypad with the purchase of a Level Lock Plus Connect with HomeKey support or Level Bolt Connect. The Level keypad is an $80 value and great for easy access for guests and littles who don't have a smartphone quite yet. If you're looking for a new robot vacuum this year, the Narwhal Freya is one of the best you can get. Though we're still waiting on manufacturers to start implementing robot floor cleaners via Matter, this one supports shortcuts, which works in a pinch to keep your floors nice and shiny with little effort. The Narwhal Freya itself is 25% off, and its replacement accessory pack is going for 50% off. If you don't already have one or are looking to upgrade, a robot floor cleaner will definitely come in handy during your holiday hosting. The holidays are a great time to show off your smart home, and there aren't many devices that are more impressive than smart shades. Featuring the rock-solid reliability of Thread and even supporting Matter, SmartWings offers shades in a variety of styles, materials, and colors to suit your fancy. They're also one of the more affordable options when it comes to custom smart shades, and this Black Friday they're even more so with up to 15% off all of their shades and accessories. AirVersa, the makers of the first and currently only thread-based smart air purifier, has it and their recently released Humel smart humidifier on offer this Black Friday for 20% off. I'm currently testing the Humel, and I'm really liking its huge water tank and addressable LED ring, so definitely check it out if you're in the market for a new humidifier. Acura has almost all of their devices discounted for the yearly shopping event, and it's a great time to stock up on those essential smart home sensors. Most of the discounts are right around 20% and include the brand new 2K pan and tilt camera. You can also save big on their Smart Lock U100, Hub M2, P2 door and window sensor with Thread, and motion sensor P1, all at 30% off. Fully embracing Thread with a touch of Matter thrown in for good measure, Onvis has been on a roll as of late, building a strong lineup of affordable Thread-connected smart home staples. They've got a contact sensor, smart plug, and their smart button, which has 5 individual controls with 3 different actions for a total of 15 programmable actions. And this Black Friday, they're shaving 20% off all of their Thread-based products. Climate and air-focused firm Sensibo has all of their current portfolio on sale this Black Friday, from their Sensibo Air AC controller to their Sensibo Pure Air Purifier. You can save 29% off the Pure Air Purifier, and I actually use this one in my daughter's room and highly recommend it. SwitchBot is going all in this Black Friday, knocking 30% off nearly their entire line of smart home accessories, many of which, like their Hub 2, curtain and blind tilt motors, smart lock, and SwitchBot bot button pusher, work natively in Apple Home over Matter, like I demonstrated in our most recent video linked in the show notes. They also just unleashed the world's tiniest and quite possibly cutest robot vacuum called the K10 Plus, and even it is 20% off this Black Friday. I am big on Thread for the smart home, and Eve makes it really easy to make the transition. They've got a whole host of Thread-connected devices like indoor and outdoor environment sensors, motorized roller shades, a glowing orb, a water spigot controller, and a water leak sensor, as well as smart home staples like smart plugs, door or window sensors, and a sweet indoor-outdoor motion sensor. This Black Friday, they're taking between 15 and 46% off a lot of their accessories, with most being discounted 25%. We don't often see these devices on sale, so if you've been thinking about getting some, now would be a great time. LED panels are a super way to make a smart home statement, and Nanoleaf all but has this category cornered, but they do tend to lean toward the pricier side. Thankfully, a lot of their hexagons, triangles, and line smarter kits are on sale for up to 33% off. They're also running specials on their more traditional Matter over Thread Essentials A19 bulbs and light strips for a savings of 25%. These are just a handful of the discounts I've managed to collect so far, and I know for a fact there'll be more pouring in over the coming days through Cyber Monday, so don't forget to bookmark our Black Friday Deals Hub linked in the show notes and check back often. Follow us on social media at myHomeKithome for regular updates and Black Friday deal highlights. A big thank you again to Ekster for supporting our content, and definitely check out what they've got going on for Black Friday using our link and promo code to save a big chunk of change. Well, that's all for this one. Thank you for listening to the end, and I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving with your loved ones. Take care.